Actually, I'm a homeschool student for over 4 years. When I was in my high school, I realized what I'm studying is not what I wanted at all. It seems like the stuff couldn't not help me achieve my own goals at all. But the one thing I'm sure about, I must quit wasting my time on meaningless things. I just like a calling from my heart. I believe the teen time would be my most fabulous time between my whole life for finding myself, building my habits of mind, building my worldview, and building connection with myself inside. I didn't realize how hard to homeschool as a formal family when with a low income. My mom even couldn't afford my online class tuition. And over some years, I just find my pathway to my own future. And then when I meet the Global Citizen Year and when I read the introduction of this program, after just about 10 minutes, oh, that's the program I need to choose to participate and find some mentors, meet some wonderful guys to make your own be a better one. If you are a wonderful person, you just need to plug into a wonderful community. I just feel like find myself again. I'm not get lost anymore. Instead, I have clear goals and proactive self-values to myself. And every day can be a wonderful day in Global Citizen Year Academy.